Okay, a 48-inch wingspan. 3 pounds and, oh, it's almost 4 pounds. 3 pounds, 15 ounces. 5.2 ounces per square foot. It's 58 inches long. The airfoil, I think it's flat. Engine is a glider. CG 25 inches from the nose. Glider release on panel 6. I've got high rate 17 up and 17 down degrees. Ailerons 20 up and 20 down. And then half that on the. It's made from 3/16 thick foam core sheet.
And what inspired you to make this plane?
Drawing one of those paper airplanes.
Very creative.